We're going to turn now to President Biden today, marking 1 million Americans lost to COVID-19. This as health officials warn that the crisis is far from over. Infections are rising across the nation, and a growing number of COVID-positive patients are now entering the hospital. Whit Johnson joins us now from hospital right here in New York City with that. Good morning, Whit.
Robin, good morning to you. As President Biden commemorates the extraordinary loss of about 1 million Americans to COVID, health experts are looking forward, and the next steps in tackling this pandemic come with significant and immediate challenges. A new forecast used by the CDC shows hospitalizations and deaths are again expected to climb over the next 4 weeks. This morning, President Biden marking that once unthinkable milestone, 1 million Americans lost to COVID. The president addressing the moment today before speaking with world leaders at a virtual summit on the pandemic. This amid growing fears of a summer COVID resurgence. New daily COVID cases in the U.S. more than doubling in the last month. Hospitalizations at their highest levels since mid-March, increasing in at least 34 states and territories.
The average person is getting milder and milder disease when they get infected. We're still seeing a lot of people in the hospital, a lot of people dying, and we're still at risk of another major wave coming at some point in the future.
And a new ABC News analysis of federal data shows a growing proportion of COVID deaths are from breakthrough infections. In August, fully vaccinated Americans made up nearly 19% of COVID deaths. By February, that number increased to about 40%. And that same month, 25% of deaths were among people who were vaccinated and boosted with their first dose.
It is very likely that all of us who've been vaccinated will have a diminution of the level of protection after a certain number of months, and it is likely that they will be recommended for everyone to get a boost then.
Health experts say the numbers highlight the risk of waning immunity, especially for older and vulnerable Americans who are more than a year out from their primary shots and have yet to receive a booster.
These data should not be interpreted as the vaccine's not working. In fact, it reaffirms the incredible protection that these vaccines are affording, especially when you're up to date with boosters.
Now, on the topic of boosters, the FDA plans to meet next month to discuss whether the composition of future vaccines should be modified. And yesterday, Dr. Anthony Fauci said that we could know by midsummer if and how often more booster shots might be needed.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.